The universe is estimated to be 13.7 billion years old. There was concentrated all the information and materials that can create life. It is amazing to understand that the universe is actually alive and is experiencing itself through human life. We are the universe. Although the origin of the universe is a subject of ongoing scientific inquiry and debate, the current prevailing scientific theory is known as the Big Bang. The universe began as a singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature. Then suddenly, under mysterious circumstances, a mystical power will cause the singularity to explode and cause all the energy and information to expand. After dark matter and particles were formed, as a result of the gravitational pull of dark matter and the accumulation of gas clouds, the first galaxies are believed to be formed. The denser regions of dark matter, which formed due to the gravitational influence, pulled in gas clouds made up of hydrogen and helium. These gas clouds then underwent a gravitational collapse, resulting in the formation of progalactic structures. Over time, these structures merged and evolved into the first galaxies, which were predominantly made of young stars and gas. One widely accepted theory is that the first stars formed from clouds of primordial gas that were primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. These clouds were able to collapse under their own gravity, forming dense regions where the gas could become hot enough and dense enough to trigger nuclear fusion reactions. These fusion reactions produced the first source of life in the universe. However, unlike modern stars that were composed of heavier elements, the first stars had no metal, as these heavier elements had not yet been created in the universe. Without these heavier elements, the formation of the first stars was thought to proceed differently than the formation of later generation stars. At a supernova, a massive explosion occurs, releasing an enormous amount of energy into space. The explosion is triggered by the collapse of the core of the massive star, which can no longer resist in the inward pull of gravity. This collapse leads to a rapid release of energy in the form of shock waves that travels outward, leading the star to explode. The energy released from a supernova is immense, equivalent to the energy output of the whole galaxy in a brief of moment. The explosion creates intense radiation and high-energy particles, including cosmic rays that can impact the surrounding environment and the formation of new stars and planetary systems. Today we know planet Earth as a habitable place that can host life. Earth is covered with water, which is the number one key element for life. The water that takes place on Earth is believed to have come from comets that strike Earth or a combination of volcanic activity and the interaction of rock with the atmosphere. But Earth was not always as we know it today. the early stages, Earth was a violent, inhabitable planet that was covered with lava from continuous volcanic eruptions and smashed by asteroids as there was no atmosphere to protect it. After millions of years from gases that were released from volcanoes, formed the atmosphere that would protect from asteroids and sun radiation, making Earth suitable for life creation. In the depths of the ocean, where the first molecules will bind together, the first cell was created. Later, this cell will evolve and diverge into multiple cells that will create a range of different organisms. After the dinosaurs went extinct from a massive asteroid that hit the Earth, it was a period of mammals to rise. Millions of years later, the natural selection will cause the first humans to come to life. These humans will evolve into the modern humans we know today.